Join us on an exhilarating journey through the world of custom motorcycles as we unveil Goldie, the stunning Honda CB400F custom crafted by innovative motorsports and builder Sean Smith. Witness the transformation of a neglected motorcycle into a breathtaking masterpiece of craftsmanship and innovation. In recent years, the custom bike scene has exploded in popularity, with events like the One Show and Mama Tried attracting enthusiasts and builders from around the globe. Amidst this vibrant landscape, Goldie stands as a shining example of creativity and ingenuity. Commissioned by Innovative Motorsports, Goldie began as a neglected 1975 Honda CB400F, left to languish under the Arizona sun. Undeterred by its condition, Sean Smith embarked on a mission to breathe new life into the iconic motorcycle, drawing inspiration from legendary race bikes and pushing the boundaries of customization. With meticulous attention to detail, Sean meticulously rebuilt the CB400F's inline-4 engine, enhancing its performance with a Stage 2 ported head, aftermarket cam, and Dynatech ignition system. The chassis underwent extensive modifications, including a shortened subframe and upgraded suspension components from Racetech. Goldie's striking appearance is further enhanced by carbon fiber fenders, a fiberglass tail section, and a GPS-enabled speedhut dial. Custom touches abound, from billet aluminum engine mounts to a bespoke tracker-style number board and LED projector headlamp. But it's the exquisite gold metal flake finish, expertly applied by Painthuffer, that truly sets Goldie apart. With a final weight of just 270 pounds, Goldie is as lightweight as it is breathtaking, a testament to Sean Smith's skill and vision. Experience the awe-inspiring journey of Goldie and witness the power of innovation and craftsmanship in the world of custom motorcycles. Subscribe for more insights into motorcycle customization and restoration from Innovative Motorsports and builder Sean Smith.